Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel Code Freely. In our last video we see the basic class, and in this tutorial we understand the init function. To understand the meaning of the classes, we have to understand the built-in init function. All classes have a function called init, which is always executed when the class is being initiated. So we use init function to assign values to object properties or other operations that are necessary to do when the object is being created. For example, we create a class named person, and we use init function to assign two variables, two values, name and age. And init function is automatically called every time the class is being loaded or used to create an object. So let's do some practice what we have covered. So here we have a code of class. We change our class name, we change this to person, and here we define function. As we know that when we say a function in Python, we use keyword def and underscore init underscore bracket and colon. Here we use always first parameter is self. This is in default, and we say first our variable name and age in person class, and we write self dot name is equal to name and self dot age is equal to age. This means that inside this init function we use self, which is default, first parameter, second parameter, third parameter. So we use the self dot name, means that this parameter is the name, and second parameter self dot age is equal to age, because whatever in the object we give the values of these which will be equal to name and age. So if we say that P is object and person is class, so this is a object, and if we say that name is John and his age is 50, so we can always access the name and age. So we get the name and the age. So like this we access the object. So in our next video we will cover more thing in object oriented programming. Keep watching Feed Code Freely.